Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra release date, price, and specs. Please subscribe followed by the bell. You can also keep up on Facebook, Twitter by clicking the links in the description. The rumor about the launch of Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra has begun to increase in Samsung Galaxy S21, Galaxy S21 Plus, and Galaxy S21 Ultra have only recently hit shop shelves. We're already starting to hear about the Samsung Galaxy S22 range, and considering what the company could improve, Samsung will be concocting for its next flagship S-range smartphone, and we're likely to hear of the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Galaxy Z Flip 3 before we hear about the S22. But with the Samsung Galaxy Note 21 likely cancelled, the S22 could be Samsung's next mainstream flagship. The leaks and news we hear about the Samsung Galaxy S22 until its launch, likely in early 2022, will be keeping track of details of the Galaxy S22 release date, price, features, Galaxy S22 release date. But we'd expect Samsung to follow a similar schedule to its 2021 plans, where the company pulled forward its launch compared to previous years and revealed the phone in mid-January. Does that mean we'll see the Samsung Galaxy S22 series in January 2022? There's no guarantee, and Samsung may decide to default back to its usual spot of releasing in February or March. That said, the company may even bring the launch forward and announce the handsets even earlier. Launch is especially possible since it looks like there probably won't be a Samsung Galaxy Note 21. Meaning there will have been a big gap between mainstream non-foldable Samsung flagships. Basically, no one knows yet what to expect from Samsung, but we'll be sure to provide more details when leaks start giving us a clearer expectation of the release date. It's similar for the price, so we don't know anything for sure yet, but we'd expect around the same price as the Galaxy S21 range. The Samsung Galaxy S21 starts at $799. The S21 Plus starts at $999, and the S21 Ultra starts at $1,199. We're yet to hear anything specific about the Samsung Galaxy S22 in terms of what specs to expect. We can glean a few pieces of information from some wider Samsung leaks though. One leak suggested Samsung is already working on its Exynos 9855 chipset, and it's expected that this will be ready for the 2022 handset. Little is known about that chip, but it gives us an idea of the Model 2. Samsung has also confirmed that it won't be including chargers in the box with future smartphones, so you should expect to buy a separate charger alongside your Samsung flagship if you're not already equipped with one. This is a simple one, and it's a clear step down from Samsung, as the company has almost always offered microSD support in its smartphones. For those unclear on the situation, the Samsung Galaxy S21 range doesn't feature a microSD card slot, meaning you won't be able to expand the storage. But the 128GB Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, you're stuck with that amount of storage no matter how long you use the phone. This is the case with other brands such as Apple, but we preferred it when Samsung offered the option to expand your storage. The Samsung Galaxy S21 range dropped in price compared to 2020's smartphones, and that's an admirable feat from the company, but we'd like to see the prices drop even further in 2022. The Galaxy S21 Ultra is full of top-end tech, and it's unlikely the company will be able to drop the price down any further than it did with 2021's phone. The Samsung Galaxy S21 and Galaxy S21 Plus may not be the most exciting smartphones, but they're still a great choice. The Galaxy S21 and Galaxy S21 Plus were a bit of a downgrade on their predecessors, so we'd like to see Samsung make the next models a touch more exciting when they arrive in 2022. This isn't something that everyone cares about, but the Galaxy S21 moved away from a glass rear and switched to a glass-tick back. That's Samsung's own name for a plastic and glass hybrid, and it doesn't feel as premium. Both the Galaxy S21 Plus and Galaxy S21 Ultra stuck with glass, and we'd like to see the company opt for that material on every Samsung Galaxy S22 model considering the price of these smartphones. That is all the latest news we have gathered on Galaxy S22 Ultra, and once I have latest leaks I will be sharing with you guys. Let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.